Two baseball fields also took the brunt of Thursday's storm, leaving bleachers overturned and signage in the dirt. 13 News reporter Sarah Davis joins us now from one of those ball fields. And Sarah, some parts are just unrecognizable.
Yeah, Marilee, this pile of bricks on the Boone Northern Little League field used to be a dugout, but now it's been dug out and demolished by last night's storm.
You know, we're looking tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage for sure.
Chad Toney is the president of the league in Racine and says when he saw the place for the first time, he couldn't believe his eyes.
I'm going to look around and, you know, see the last 20, 25 years of all these pieces that come together, and pretty good setup we have here, and took a hit last night for sure.
Bleachers picked up by the wind and thrown to home plate, pieces of fence wedged into poles, and debris everywhere. But the mess doesn't stop in Boone County. Volunteer Field in Cedar Grove also took a hit to its scoreboard, the wind ripping it from the ground. Parent Ashley Coleman said for their little community, it's just devastating.
Up at Cedar Grove, you know, we don't have a lot as much as Charleston and down the other end of the valley has, so we put a lot of time and effort into making this field really nice, and we've gotten lots of compliments before about how nice our field is, and this, you know, losing the scoreboard is going to be a very big blow to our field.
The questions coming from both of these programs tonight: how are we going to rebuild? What will next season look like now? For both of these small towns, sports is their lifeline, especially for the kids, and last night's storm is leaving a ton of room for uncertainty. Reporting in Racine, Sarah Davis, 13 News.